good morning, peoples. The moment of truth. Guess what we're going to catch? Ow, I hit myself. Let's see, hold on. Ready when you're ready. Wait, it's too far. Wait, it's so heavy, this one. Okay, akyatin niya na lang daw. Hala, baka madulas ka. Oh, look at this tree. They're ready to catch the fruit. Wala. Yeah, it's kind of scary.
No. Let me get the tractor.
Aray, mag-ingat.
Isn't this the one that fell and hurt his shoulder or something?
Okay, people. While these four are waiting for the great result of this santol. Okay. Okay, where are we now? Ooh, this is high. Okay, watch yourself. Wow, okay. One. Did I see it? So far.
I'm looking up.
I know, Doug. Wait, I didn't catch that one. The rest fell. The big chunk, I didn't get it in the video. Watch your eyes. It might fall on your eyes.
Oh, wait.
Him right there. Let's see so far. Okay, right there. Yummy, yummy. You, there's plenty under.
Oh, we gotta come this way.
I have plenty to eat right now. This will be my breakfast.
Oh, boy. Hey.
Okay, Doug, come on. Catch it, Doug. Whoa, got it. Okay.
Opo. Yung mga sa labas ng puno ang dami.
This little batch right there. We gotta go that.
Okay.
Dito din, sa gilid ba yan? Ang dami.
So people, I think now they have to catch more, but I will begin eating.
Yan! Baka pa. Tignan natin kung alin ang galing nyo. One, two, yan! Yan na, dyan sa area na yan.
Okay, let's see if this one will be a good catch.
Aray, bitin na rin ang ano yung tungkit ni Nino. Ayun, pero din ano, no? Ayun,
Doug is having a big problem.
dyan sa area na yan.
I will now eat. Guys, you need to run for your life. Oh. Woo! Okay. That ends the day, people. That ends the day. Thank you so much. Now we can